Lillian Cabinets, your one-stop shop for all things cabinetry. How to install LED lights for your kitchen cabinet. Lillian Cabinets introduces a whole new lighting system to complement our line of ready-to-assemble cabinets. Now you can add affordable, quality lighting above, under, and inside your cabinets with ease using our new measure-free, linkable lighting system. Set out all of your lighting strips, cables, and power supply boxes before you begin installing. Hold the bracket approximately 3 to 4 inches from each side of the cabinet and mark it with your pencil. Lights can be placed directly behind the face or up to an inch from the front of the cabinet. Drill a starter hole with the enclosed screw. Then, holding the bracket in place, drill the screw and secure the bracket. For cabinets wider than 30 inches, you'll want to add a third bracket. In addition, you will want to drill a 3/8 inch hole between the cabinets and at the top and bottom inside the cabinet box in order to run the power cables to the lights. Tuck an extra cable between the cabinets. Use a hot glue gun to keep the wires tucked into the corner. When you're ready, plug the cables in, snap the lights into place, and admire your beautiful work. Lillian Cabinets, the unique, affordable, and high-quality cabinets you've been searching for.